Hey traders, Jason with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use a 5-day, 5-minute regular trading hours to trade a TPO profile chart, aka time and price profile, volume profile, and also market profile, whatever you want to call it. So essentially this is a regular trading hours chart only, okay? And what we're looking at is each day's regular trading. So we're able to see gaps or points of control that have not been touched yet, right? So like down here, we saw this huge massive day. This is when the Fed spoke. And then what happened was price just took off, right? And you could see we took out this point of control right here, took out this point of control, this point of control. There was a gap here, right? So we just kind of blew through, took all of those out, cleaned up the chart. And now what happens is we kind of gapped up today in this market profile, right? And then we kind of came back down and filled that gap, right? So that move filled the gap. That's done. The only thing we really have down here is, if you see, our point of control, right? This has not been touched. So price needs to come all the way back down to be able to touch this, and then it could be taken off the chart. So this may be up here for couple days, couple months, couple weeks, anything like that. But first, if you want to help support my channel, get some trading education, and also get weekly S&P Emini trade zone levels, support, and resistance, then you need to sign up with my $99 lifetime subscription, one-time payment of the S&P weekly trade zones, where you will get support and resistance levels, any open gaps and VPOCs, and you will also get a 7-hour video course of my top 5 trading strategies that I go over, that I use on a daily basis. Also, as a bonus, you will get over 30 free Thinkorswim custom indicators and charts, and you will get on a weekly basis every weekend Thinkorswim share chart, so you can upload the drawings directly to your charts. If you use another brokerage firm, here are all the levels that you'll be able to draw your own levels on. So make sure you check out daytradingfearless.com to sign up, or the link down below. Again, $99, but back to the video. Okay, with that being said, so in this chart, look at what we want to look for is when price opened way up here, right? We saw price go up. We want to look at this profile and try and figure out levels where price may pull all the way back down to, right? And one of the ways to look at that is to look at this profile over here, TPO, and also this profile. Where is our point of control, or sorry, our low volume node? Right here. Okay, so if I actually, let's redo this, and let's put the point or low volume node right here, right? This is where the lowest volume from this entire move down then starts to get wide. Where is our regular point volume profile? Right here, right? So, or sorry, high volume node right here. So now, with all of that being said, look at how price came down. If we saw this low volume node, and then we also saw right here this low volume node, yes, there are others. There's one here, there's one here, there's also a high volume profile here. I would be watching for all of these levels, even here, right? And all you really have to do is mark these levels off intraday, right? And then as price comes down to them, you will kind of be able to make those trades. And here's a good example, right? If we look at just this, let's look at this one. Look at this high volume node right here. What did price do? It sold, and we could see the bottom of the wick. We're right at that high volume node. And what does price do? It rallies. How do I know? Because the wick and right here is the body. So we know that price opened here, closed here, but went as low as this level. Same thing here. Low volume node. Right here, this little low volume node inside, price came down, and look at that, touched and then bounced. Okay, next we have this low volume node, which is the start, right? And what does price do? It comes right down to it, and then we bounce to the upside. So just using this chart and prior high volume or low volume nodes is very, very powerful. I would be watching if price kept falling. I would probably maybe lean against this low volume node, this low volume node for sure, because it was these wick highs, and then definitely this high volume node, and watch for price to probably reverse and have some type of bounce or a pause at these levels. So what I'll do, I'll leave a link down below in the description of this chart layout. So if you guys want to kind of download it and use it for your own. And like I said, I would just mark all these off, right? Kind of mark something off here, maybe this high volume node or low volume node here. I would definitely use these two little high volume nodes right here, this low volume node. And these are all levels where you can maybe do a quick little hyper scalp, look for a couple ticks or a point with maybe a point worth of a risk or something like that. So hopefully that helps again. But as always, thank you for watching my videos. And till next time, we'll talk to you soon.